All right, hello everybody. Welcome to Linux Crazy Podcast. And in this podcast, in the last podcast I talked about a little home network. So in this podcast, we're going to kind of go around and cruise around the network a little bit and kind of see what's going on, how it's set up. And you could always set up your own home network. It's pretty nice because one of the best things about it is you have a box you can test stuff on, and you can play around with a web server. You can do just about anything. So first thing is it comes here to this ADSL modem that's right here. I have Bell South DSL, so that's this modem here, and its address is 192.168.1.254. Then it jumps over to this D-Link router, and the router's address is 192.168.0.1. Then it goes over to this access point, and this access point is 192.168.0.100, and the access point gets opened up so that it gets its DHCP, gets its addresses from the router. All these other ones pretty much static. So the web server, and it's an FTP server, file server. I could store anything I want on this box here. Its address is 192.168.0.2, and then it goes over from the router. It goes over to a switch. Goes over to this Debian desktop. That's the address there. Then it goes to this Gentoo desktop. That's this box here. This is the one that I do the podcast on. And then I have a laser printer right over here, 192.168.0.10. The laser printer doesn't have a JetDirect print server on it, but I have a little D-Link print server on it, and you'll see that later on. That's pretty neat. So, all right, let's get started. Let's see what's going on here. We'll go here, and let's go on over to that modem first. Alright, there's the modem, and as you can see, we're up, thank goodness. And so right here you can see there's my static address of the web. So as you can see here, I've got IP pass-through is enabled for that DI-604, which is that D-Link router. So what happens is anything that comes to this, anybody on the web that goes to this address right here, it's going to go over to the D-Link, to the router. So let's go see what's going on over the router. Alright. Down here you can see that I have port 80's opened up here. So port 80's opened up. So what happens is that anything that comes to anybody come to that static address to port 80, they're going to get referred to this 192.168.0.2, which is the web server. So that's pretty much that. So let's go over to the web server. Oh, well, let's go over to the we'll go to that print server. Oh no, this is the access point. This is pretty basic. This is where you change any of your security settings. So here's the SSID, and it's just set up for WAP. So that's pretty much it for that. So let's go see. We'll go over to this print server. There's our print server. So you can see there. This is that. See, there it is. There's a little picture right there. So that's pretty much it for that. So let's go over here. So let's see what's going on over there at the modem. Well, as you can see, the only thing open up there is port 80. So that's good. So let's go back. Let's see what's going on at that router. Same thing. The only thing opened up there is port 80. So the only thing going to get through is going through those two things, the modem and the router is port 80. So let's go see what's going on at the web server. Oops. Alright, now, like I said, I told you that web server was a FTP server, plus I like to be able to SSH in there. I've got port 80 open, naturally, and then this is the HTTPS, port 443, just to test out secure connections and stuff like that. So I'm not exactly sure what this is here, 587. So let's go over here to the next box. Let's see. Forgot the address on this box. Yeah, this one's 04. 03. Oh, okay, that's the web servers 2. Web servers 2. 3 is the Debian box, and 4 is here. So we got 2, 3, 4. Two we said. 3 is that Debian box. Oh, let's get back out of it. Yeah. Not much open on that Debian box. The Debian box was pretty much locked up. So, and then this one, we'll see what's we can nmap us too right here, localhost. It's always good to see what's going on. Yeah. Now this one's. Oh, okay. This one. You see this? See how this port 80, port 443, is open. 631, that's cups. The reason it shows these ports is open because I got a little web server on this box too, just to test out some stuff. But on that Debian box, that workbox, I don't have any web server running or anything, so that's why those ports aren't open. They would be if I had something running on it. So that's about it for this little home network. Not much else I can talk about. So thanks for watching and listening. Y'all have a great day. All right, bye.